natin. Okay, kids. Nabuhay ba ang mga dugo natin? Yes or no? Ay, mula din, mas malakas pa. Nabuhay ba ang mga dugo natin? Yes or no? Okay, palakpakan natin ito sa basta. Okay. For our first artwork, si Kuya RC introduce our first artwork. Okay, let's go to the first artwork. Yes or no? Okay, I will give the floor to Kuya RC.
Alright, so good afternoon, kids. Kuya Darlo, pala na-energize na katingog pa dyan si Kuya Dar. Alright, so this time, kids, ready na mga kayo sa inyong first artwork, yes or no? Okay, so this time, ipabawas na yung homework ng mga stone. Tama man. Okay, place it in front of you on the table. Okay? So, kuya ninyo, kung kagamay ato kuya ninyo para maklaro na to. Okay? Okay, i-remove lang ang mga cupcakes then. I-wear ang inyong hat, Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike, wear your hat. Alright. Okay? So where are your stones? Isa wala stone. Okay, si Kuya. Isa yung na rin mo Kuya. Sa may ha? Si Kuya Raja. Okay, Kuya Raja, wala stone si Kuya Raja. Isa may, wala we can give at one stone ang atong magamit. Isa na stone na makishare. Okay, Kuya Raja, you have 3 friends na mga willing mo hatag sa ilang stone. And sorry, ay, pili lang Kuya Raja. Okay, kamu lang kids, okay, Kuya Raja, binihatag ang stone. Okay, isa may ang willing mo hatag. Okay, si Ate Aya? Okay, Kuya Raja, what would you say?
Thank you.
Okay, then Ate Aya, can you say? You're welcome. Alright, very good. So thank you so much, Ate Aya, for sharing your stone. Alright, so this time, raise your stone. Careful lang ha. Raise. Okay. Okay, balik na butan. Okay, put it on the table. Alright, kids, this time, raise your hand. Wiggle it on the air. Wiggle. Alright. Okay, Kuya Jake, higher. Okay, remember, kids, keep count. Those hands will create your magnificent art later. You must